Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up AWS S3 buckets using Lifecycle policies, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service from the console dashboard. Select the bucket you want to back up. Click on the Management tab within the bucket settings. Locate the Lifecycle Rules section. Select Create Lifecycle Rule to start a new rule. Give your lifecycle rule a descriptive name. Optionally, add a tag for organization purposes. Choose whether to apply the rule to all objects or specific prefixes. Define the rule's scope by selecting the appropriate options. Now, specify the actions you want the lifecycle rule to perform. Select Transition current versions of objects between storage classes. Choose the storage class you want to transition to and set the time. Next, consider setting up expiration rules. Select Expire current versions of objects if needed. Specify the number of days after which objects should expire. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Click Create Rule to activate your lifecycle policy. Your rule will now take effect based on the defined parameters. Monitor your bucket regularly to ensure backups occur as expected. Remember that it may take some time for transition or expiration actions to start. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a lifecycle policy for your AWS S3 bucket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.